Action! So you just got a drone and you've been looking all over YouTube to learn how to fly it. Or you have a drone, but your content you've been shooting just isn't cool enough and getting you the social media attention that you'd like to have. I'm gonna teach you basic and advanced techniques and maneuvers that will give you control and confidence while you fly. And I'll teach you the basics of cinematography so that your photos and videos can inspire others while you knock their socks off. I will teach you how to create and grow a professional drone portfolio so that when you get your Part 107 license, people will be on your doorstep knocking just to hire you. I'm going to take everything I've taught myself or learned in the last 8 to 12 months, and I'm going to teach you in just 30 days. Because of my drone work, I've gone from shooting my backyard as a nobody and taking just $25 jobs to shooting real estate homes valued at $2.4 million and getting jobs in other states, all while having strangers starting to reach out to me asking me to teach them how to help them get the same quality of work. So click the link below to see a free short webinar of the 5 mistakes I see brand new drone pilots make and sign up for the 30-day Drone Master course today.